Derived parts. So why do you want to use derived parts? So it cleans up your references. So in a normal part where you might be referencing other parts in assembly, it won't get messy. So you can actually CAD faster with them. It runs better on your computer, you can modify them easier, and all your equations are all in one document. And so you see in the picture over here on the right, this is my main assembly file. So I have the derived part, and then I have everything not in the derived part, which is generally electronics, things bought off the shelf, that sort of thing. So what are derived parts? Derived parts are basically a bunch of parts combined in one part file. It's also known as a multi-body part, and it is very simple to create and use. So how we make it? You open a new part file, you make a concept sketch with any useful geometry in it. You create each part as a separate body, and then you save the bodies, and that's mainly for manufacturing. So keeping the bodies separate, what you want to do when making a new body is you want to uncheck merge bodies. For adding bodies, you want to have merge bodies checked, and you also want to go under feature scope and hit under selected bodies and select the bodies you wish to change. So on the left you see adding, you see merge result is unchecked and you don't have to do anything else abnormal. On the right, when you're creating more and adding to one, what you want to do is you want to have merge result checked, except down in the bottom near feature scope, you want to hit selected bodies and you want to select the one you want to change.